Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. So today in this exciting sprouting video, I have my very first collaboration video. I've been trying to do a collaboration video for many months now, and today we're finally able to do one. So today we're collaborating with Seema from the Garden a Little channel. She's going to be teaching you guys how to plant onion seeds and herb seeds during this winter season. Over here in Florida, it's really easy to plant a seed and it flourishes for you because we barely have a winter. But over there in Ohio, it's a different story because there is an actual winter and there is snow. So there's a few things you have to look forward to when planting seeds. So without further ado, here's Seema from Garden a Little.
My name is Seema. I'm in zone 6A and I am a beginner gardener. I find it fascinating that you can plant pretty much anything you want from a seed and it produces an abundant amount of food. I'm more into vegetable and fruits, so like tomatoes, cucumbers, herbs, eggplants, things like that, things that I want to eat. Although I enjoy flowers, something that I am very passionate about are vegetables and fruits, something that I can produce so I can support my family, my friends, and just eat fresh, non-pesticide sprayed foods. I come from a big family and we grew up depending on our garden and our animals to provide us with majority of food. And you know what? I learned a ton. Every single spring, we would plow the fields, we would plant things, and then whenever we needed something for dinner or lunch, we would just come out, put our shirts up. It was just like our basket, collect a whole bunch of food, and there we are. That was our dinner. And then later in the season, my mom would can a whole bunch of things, and that's how we provided for ourselves. I didn't know how important that was until I grew up. Since I am a beginner gardener, I can't give a whole bunch of tips for you beginner gardeners. However, we are in the same boat. And guess what? That in itself is a huge support system, and that is so helpful. If you guys have any questions, you guys can always look it up, and so many gardeners have already found the answers by experience. And that's an amazing source of information. That's an amazing thing to have. Another thing is don't get too carried away. So what I mean by that, gardening is exciting. Plants are fascinating, but please don't overexhaust yourself, because once you do, you can get discouraged easily and get really turned off from gardening. So take it easy on yourself. Just do it one thing at a time. Something that is easy to start with are herbs, something like dill, basil, parsley, whatever you like. Well, herbs are a great way to start, and you can grow them on your countertop if you really want to. Today, I want to shoot a video about growing things in Zone 6A in the mid of January. Something that you can grow, again, are onions, and that's what we're gonna do. But before that, I want to show you my find at a local tractor supply store. This was $7. It's already pre-filled with potting soil. It is a 2-tray system. Let's get it unpacked. Here it is, unpacked. It is full with dry soil. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to fill this bottom tray up with water and put these guys right in here so the water can get sucked up. If you are gardening on a budget like me, one thing that you can do is literally take your old egg carton, drop some soil right from the outside into it, and get your seeds planted in that. That has been my starting seed setup last year. Yes, that's not ideal, but you're giving it a go. You're getting your hands dirty and you're trying things out. One of the mistakes that I made last year is I did not label what I planted. So today I'm going to just draw out a little diagram of this mess here. There are 36 cells in this planter. In these 2 rows, I'm gonna plant my onions. On this row, I'm gonna plant my yellow onions. And this one, I'm gonna plant my red onions. And on my piece of paper, this is how I marked it. Onions Y and onions red R. I'm going to put this tray in a dark, warm place until I see sprouts. When I see sprouts, very important, put them underneath a light. Plants need soil, water, and light. So make sure that if you're starting them from seeds, you have that planned because these little guys will sprout in no time. And this is my little jotted down plan. Thanks for watching this collab. I enjoyed talking to Ultimate Gardening. I hope you check out my channel.